Did you know that 80% of people with poor posture can significantly improve their alignment using just a simple resistance band? Get ready to transform your posture game. Resistance bands are revolutionizing how we approach posture correction through targeted muscle activation. These lightweight tools specifically engage the rhomboid muscles, which act as your body's natural posture supporters. When you perform controlled pulling movements with bands, you're actually training your scapular muscles to maintain proper alignment throughout the day. A groundbreaking 2021 study revealed that regular resistance band training can increase muscle stability by up to 30% just weeks, particularly in the upper back region where most posture problems originate. The secret lies in the band's ability to create constant tension during both concentric and eccentric movements, effectively rewiring your muscle memory for lasting postural improvements. This scientific approach makes it possible to correct even long-standing posture issues with consistent practice. Ready to upgrade your posture? Drop a if you're starting your resistance band journey today.